Hey, it's Melissa with WTI, and I want to show you what we use on our vehicles. Now, my husband would not use anything but the best on his vehicles, and that's why we love this Armor All ceramic car wash. It's just a liquid that really gets very, very bubbly and sudsy. We actually use it with a foam cannon, and I love having all of the conveniences of a car wash at home in our garage. Now, my husband typically likes to wash the car if there is just even a little bit of dust on it. And that's because this car wash puts such a shine and gloss and glow on his vehicle that he really does enjoy using it. And I enjoy watching it shimmer and shine in the sun as well. So this car wash even says specifically that you are able to just use it as a hand wash, or if you're interested in some type of foam cannon, then that works really well too. I can really see a huge difference when we spray this on our vehicles. I think that you're absolutely going to enjoy using this Armor All car wash. It's the ceramic 4 foam cannons if you choose, or just a hand wash if you'd rather go that route. I really think you're going to enjoy it. I know that we do, and that's my point of view.